Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Warrior Classes. Today in this video, we'll solve this algebraic problem. And the problem here is if a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 63, where a, b, c and d are positive integer, and then we'll have to find the maximum possible value of AB plus BC plus C. So friend, please give thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Now for solution of this problem, if you look at here, AB plus BC plus CD is given, but DA is not given, so this is not a symmetrical problem. So now for making a symmetrical, we'll add DA, means we have been given AB plus BC plus CD, and we have added extra DA. Now A is available in AB and DA. If we'll take A from these two, A common, then we'll remaining with B and D. Likewise for C, it is BC and CD. If we'll take C common, then we'll get B and another term is D. Now likewise for B, it is AB and BC. Now if we'll take B, then it is A and C. So we have taken A, C, B and remaining is D, and for D it is CD and DA, means A and C. So here if you look at AC and BD are symmetrical in one side, now we can take out from this another method. If we rearrange this AB plus DA plus BC as it is, BC plus CD. Now we can take A common from these two. If we'll take A common, the remaining is B plus D, and from these two we can take C common. So if we'll take C common, it is B plus D again. Now from this B plus D we can take common. Now in the next step we will understand this value by a rectangular. Let us take this side as A. It is A. So we have A and another is C. So we'll take from here, it is C. If it is C, now the opposite of it is B. So here if this side is B and from here it is D, then we can get the area of AB. So for now we'll see what is the area of AB. So this will be the area of AB. It is AB, and this area will be B and C, BC. Now the area of AD, A and D. So this is the area of AD, and remaining this is the area of this area is C and this is D, so it is CD. Now let us take this complete line AC as X. So if this is X, so we can say X is equal to A plus C, and this line B plus D as Y. So we can write Y is equal to B plus D. So now here we have got the area of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Means if whole area of this rectangle, if we'll subtract this AD, we can get AB plus BC plus CD. AB plus BC plus CD will equal to be the whole area of this, means area of a rectangle minus this AD. Means if we'll subtract AD from the whole area of this rectangle, we can get AB plus BC plus CD. Now the area of rectangle will be this base multiplied by length, means x times y, xy minus AD. Now here in the questions they have asked the maximum possible value of AB plus BC plus CD, means we have to find the maximum value of it. Maximum value of it means the maximum value should be of xy. This will also be max, and the value of AD will be minimum. So for minimum value of AD, and AD is a positive integer, so that the value of AD will be 1. Value of AD should be 1, and for value of AD 1, A should also be 1 and D should be 1 only. Now we have calculated the value of this AD, that is 1. Now we'll have to calculate the maximum value of x and y. Now here in the question they have mentioned A plus B plus C plus D is 63, and here we have AC is x, so A and C as x and B and D as y, that is equal to 63. And now in the next step we'll calculate the value of maximum value of x and y. For that we'll use AM and GM method, so we'll use it in the next page. Now according to AM and GM, here we have two terms, means the value of x plus y divided, we have two terms, so we'll divide by 2, will be greater than equal to multiplication of xy and powered by 1 by 2. Now here the x and y value is 63. So it is 63 divided by 2 greater than equal to xy powered by 1 by 2. Now 63 divided by 2 is 31.5 greater than equal to xy powered by 1 by 2. And the value of xy will be lesser than equal to here 31.5 times 31.5. Now either x or y will be equal to 31.5 and 31.5 for the maximum value of x and y. Now here in the questions it is given that a, b, c, d is positive integers, therefore the x and y will also be positive integers. Now for positive and maximum value of x and y, the value of x and y will be either one value will be equal to 31 and another value will be equal to 32. Maybe x will be 32 or y will be 31. Now the value of multiplication of x and y will be 31 times 32, and the multiplication of 31 and 32 is 992. So now here we have calculated xy is 992. So in the previous page we have the value of maximum is 992 and the minimum value of AD is 1, so we'll subtract 1, so it will be 991. So the maximum value of AB plus BC plus CD will be 991. So we can say that the value of this term will be 991. This is our answer of the questions. So friend, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.